And now, Monsieur is going to show you how to run the chainsaw. Maybe not. Alright, well, we are finally getting around to opening up this chainsaw. It is the M18 Fuel Milwaukee one, and that don't belong in it. It's just extra from another box. I did steal the battery and the blower out of this already, so yeah. There's the charger. Oh, found it. Would you look in there? And instructions. Oh, I don't have a knife. Oh no. One moment while I struggle. Okay, I opened it. What's in here? I can't see. And I'm struggling. Are you serious? It's just an empty box. Seriously? Well, here it is. Alright, we got the battery in, bar chain oil in, and it says to run it for 30 seconds without doing anything. Yeah, that should do it. Alright, I'm gonna trim up that tree a little bit. Alright, so to operate this, we've got a button here that's a thumb trigger, and then we've got this and the safety. So if you don't pull the thumb trigger and undo the lock, it won't run. If you activate the safety and pull the trigger and the thumb, it also won't run. So you gotta release it, push the button, pull the trigger, and it goes. It's also variable speed, so you can go slow and go fast. So it's pretty neat. I started out with 3 bars and it's still at 3 bars, and I've been through quite a few branches so far. So I'm just finishing chopping this up. I did throw the chain off because I didn't tighten it up because it looked like it was tight enough, which it's still kind of loose, but it's tight enough to do. And also the tool is right here, so you pop this out and it's your tightening tool, and the screwdriver part right there is how you tighten it up. So altogether it is pretty neat, and it's lightweight and well balanced, so I like it. Well, that's the Milwaukee chainsaw. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I do approve of this. It has been very good. And also, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit that like button, and also have a wonderful day, and we'll see you in the next one. God bless. Are you gonna run it?